we arrived to Quebec City in month of March 1960. It was cold, it snowed in March, April. It pronounced. We was settled in 25th Street, 105 years old Limualu. When some ask where you come from, I answer to him, I came from Limualu. When I saw it, this high old city, my life became almost pretty, because I thought that I'm there during the war in my fatherland, Bosnia. That I am afterlife, stricken there of a hard and iron small means, and issued of uranium-made bomb. Do you make some bomb? Why? But it's not so it's easy, it's possible. You have bomb? Ah, it's life. Everybody fool, bring the bomb. Fall like sexy bomb. You are not serious. One was settled in 25th Street to all quiet. Limualu. And somebody, for example, some sergeant CA, GGB, GB, ATC, ask me for whom you are from. I answer to him, hey buddy, don't worry, I came from Limualu.